Guys, it's Makaya. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, this is going to be a quick and easy look for beginners. Honestly, if you're somebody who's not really into eyeshadow, this look is for you because it still gives you that pop, but it's not too much. So if you guys want to see how I got this to look, then please keep watching. Hey guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is, of course, brush my brows out using the Benefit brow pencil. This is the medium deep shade. I haven't really been liking my brows to be too dark, so if you notice, they're definitely lighter than my hair, but it gives a more natural look. Once I'm done finishing up my brows, I go ahead and conceal them. This is the e.l.f. I'm pretty sure this is the creamy concealer. This is not the matte one. This is the one that's hydrating, and I use the shade Deep Olive. It's like the perfect yellow neutral tone for me. And then I go in with a little bit of the Benefit Boing concealer just to make sure that my eyelids are lighter, because sometimes the concealer that I use for my brows can be a little too dark for shadows. So now I'm going to just set that with my Mercier translucent setting powder just so the eyeshadow doesn't move. This look is very easy, very simple. It's almost like a one eyeshadow look, except for I use a couple shades. So I'm just going to take this medium brown shade in the Jaclyn Hill palette with a fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. And then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. bronzer with the same brush. I'm just going to use that in the crease as well as the transition shade area. As you guys can see, it's really close to my skin tone, which is the vibe that I like to go for when I want it to look effortless. I don't want it to look like I have on a lot of eyeshadow. So now I'm taking a flat brush and I'm going to put the bronzer all over my eyelids as well. So that's pretty much it for the eyeshadow. Of course, I have to go on with my wing liner just because that's like my signature look for my eyes. For some reason, when I don't do wing liner and I wear eyeshadow, it just doesn't look complete to me. So, and this pen, I can't remember who it's by. It'll be in the description box though. And then these are just some really simple wispy lashes. Y'all, I be struggling to get my lashes to stick, especially now that I use actual lash glue. Y'all know for the longest, I used to use hair glue for my lashes. Now for my favorite part, the base. I'm going in with my Makeup by Mario foundation. And this one is in the shade NC19 or C19. It's so good. It's so hydrating. Perfect for summer. Because I like to look glowy and stuff. I don't like looking ashy. So now I'm going in with my MAC foundation stick in the shade NW47. Super warm. Super easy to blend out and creamy. So this just gives me like that sun-kissed look that I be going for during the summertime. Honestly, all the time. I like to look sun-kissed all the time. If you've never tried liquid blush, this is your sign. Go out and get some. This one is by Makeup Revolution. And I think it's in the shade Nude, but it's so pretty. It makes your skin look so like rosy and glowy versus just using like a regular powder blush. I use both, but the liquid does it for me. Now I'm going to go ahead and highlight. Use them in the same concealer. This is the one by e.l.f. So good. Honestly, it's up there with the Too Faced concealer as well as the Tarte one, if you ask me. Like, this is probably the best drugstore concealer, but it does not give drugstore. So if you haven't tried it, definitely try it. Again, I'm in the shade Deep Olive, so if you're around my skin complexion, you know, give it a try. It's so pretty. Now, of course, to set the concealer, I'm going to go in with my Mercier translucent powder. Lately, I've been setting my concealer first and then baking after. Just a little bit. I feel like it's making me not crease as much as I normally would if I just bake the first time. So as you can see, I'm pressing the powder directly into my face, and then I went back underneath my eyes and baked for a little bit. Not too much though, because again, I told you I like to look glowy. And so, see, just a little bit. Not too much. I didn't go too crazy. And now with my ABH Contour Kit, I'm going to take that. It's the third darkest shade in the palette. And I'm going to contour my nose with that. And then for my face, I like to use the 2 second to darkest shades. Not the darkest one because it's a little too dark for my liking. But these two together are perfect. For bronzer, I'm going to use the same e.l.f. bronzer that I use on my eyes in a really small, fluffy brush. I feel like it gets the right amount of product on my face, which we love. And I'm going to use this KatVonD blush. I can't remember the exact shade, but of course, it will be down below in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. To set underneath my contour, I'm going to use the Mercier translucent powder. And of course, to dust my powder off from underneath my eyes, I'm going to use the 2 lightest shades, or 2 second lightest shades in the ABH Contour Kit. And you guys know I like to highlight my nose. Not really too much on the face though. A little bit. This is the e.l.f. Baked Highlight. I think it's in the shade Apricot. And so for the pop for this look, since I'm not doing a lot of eyeshadow and stuff, I decided to do white liner. It's by NYX. A little bit of mascara on the lower lashes. And then, of course, lately I've been lining my lips with a brow pencil. I'm not going to hold you. The pencil that I'm using is a brow pencil, but I feel like it's so precise. It just really gets the lip shape right. And then I like to take this brown shade. It looks more red in the picture, but it's a brown shade in the ABH lip kit. And I line my lips with that as well. And then this is the MAC and Nicki Minaj collab Pink Friday lipstick. The Juvia's Place lipstick and lady, NYX Candy, and clear gloss. And that's it, y'all. So cute and simple and easy. See y'all in the next one. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Of course, all of the products that I use will be down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. Any products that are on Amazon, they will be listed in my Amazon storefront. That will be down below in the description box as well. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.